At saka yung sinabi nilang pinatayan si Attorney Roque at saka si Maharlika para sinabotage, yung babaeng yun na sinasabi binabash ninyo, si Cha. Yan yung babae na tumulong kay Attorney Roque nung pagdating niya dito. Yan, isa siya sa mga taong tinulungan si Attorney Roque. Pagdating niya dito. Totoo yan. Ito yung totoo. That's why I find it offensive na ginawaan niya sa babaeng ganyan na it was supposed to be already over. Because before it was aired in public, kinausap yan si Cha ni Attorney Roque in a meeting. And then doon, gikasabaan na siya dito and everything, ganito. Because this is reality. Para wag natin i-put into somebody's effort. We are just mere volunteers. Honestly. Bakit? Bakit ganun? Gikasabaan siya, giwasawasahan siya, istorya dito, ganito, ganyan. Tapos kayo, gipublic pa. Can you imagine the effect of that sa family anong bayhana? Because we are all volunteers doon. Talaga. Actually, it was just a collaborative effort. Ang nangyari kasi, baka, alam nyo, hindi naman ako lang assessment ko to because I was really trying to hear all of the sides because na-shock na lang ako na mayroon na palang ganito, ganyan, ano na bang issue ganito, because as much as possible it's very very petty. Kung if I was a foreigner, malaman ko na ano bang problema, anong gikalagutan niya. It was all issues lang talaga. Ako, I also take offense sa nangyari kay Cha, because she was unfairly labeled as somebody na binayaran ganito kasi nagpa-stop ganito ganyan. That person helped you when nobody else would have wanted to help you. Since the very beginning, it was just so easy to demonize her like that. It's just so uncanny, uncalled for talaga. Doon ako sa kanya, naawa ako ba? This is just my personal opinion. Naawa talaga ako sa kanya. Because yung mukha niya all over the news, ginaganyan-ganyan siya, or alam mo yun, ang tao nag-volunteer lang naman, hindi yung siguro nagustuhan ang facial expression niya or whatsoever. Perhaps that's the normal expression of the person. That's why I spoke to Attorney Roque and Maharlika about it. Intently, nag-usap talaga kami, sabi ko, ma'am sir, wala talagang opinion, wala talagang effort to sabotage or whatnot. Because tayo lang dito, magkampi-kampi dapat tayo. Why do we need to point out somebody na, ganyan, pinapatayan or whatnot, ganito, ganyan. I just hope and wish that we can move forward and let this issue die down. Wag nating ipaulit-ulit.
So hindi po yan petty. Yan po ay seryosong bagay. Yan ang pagkakamali. Tayin nyo na lang ako kaysa ako'y magpapasupil sa inyo. Seryoso ako. Barilin nyo na lang ako. Hindi ako magpapasupil. Mas importante sa akin yung makapagsalita. Hindi ako magpapasupil kahit kailan. At kung hindi mo matanggap yan, talagang tuloy ang away. Hindi dahil ito'y petty, kung hindi dahil ito'y nakabase sa prinsipyo.
It's up to them, no? It's not my fight. I'm just trying to explain both sides. I hope that one day sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng mga na-involve or whatnot, you will find, or yung mga taong nag-take sides na, you will find it upon yourself na hindi kayo mapunta sa one side where you are trying to explain yourself, and then on the other side, you are trying to accuse about something without basis. So, kung saan man kayo mapunta one day in the future, because sometime perhaps this is a baptism of fire for somebody na yun ang nangyari. But just to be fair, let's try to think about it. Hindi naman yun sa kung ano talaga ang gustong mangyari, no? But again, just one thing is very clear, there was no effort, na preempted effort or whatnot. Attorney Roque is considered a very staunch supporter of the Dutertes in the same way as Maharlika. So why would we even, there's no logic there. Why would we even try to put them in bad light like that when we all know that these people have already created the name for themselves. So I don't get that even. You know, I'm trying to I'm trying to put that into context. Yun po ang totoo. Pero this is nothing but the spices of the journey. Isa yan sa mga may isasali ko sa isusulat kong libro. To be honest. Exactly, there's no use of crying over spilled milk. Correct, exactly. That's why I was just trying to revisit that because it was a question from those people dito na nag-comment who wanted to put or to shed light. Ano ba talaga ang nangyari? Clearly, just on doing what you've done since day one, many of us were thankful to you. Thank you po, Sandy Birwar. With what happened, it will not, how to say that? It will not lead me into a wrong direction of talking about people or taking sides or whatnot. No, I will still remain steadfast and resolute to my objective since day one. I remember very well, 11th of March, that's when my patriotic heart was awakened. Yun talaga ang situation. And let's just accept, agree to disagree that pero you don't really like magbangag-bangag si Spokes. Donna May, I don't like it na yung mga bangag-bangag actually. I really don't like that because to me, as an educated person, it's very nasyalohan ako pag ganyan. I find it shallow yung ganyan. But I understand that we are all different. That's my opinion. You ask for it. So I am giving you my opinion. I find this a shallow way of retaliation. But it's up. We are all entitled to to all of these interpretations sa atong iba-iba naman tayo, no? But that's me. And that's my idea about it. Ano ba, friend? Performance sa Amsterdam sa June 14. Go know whether you like it or not to bag. So, yun po. I will always... ano ba? Bakit nawala yung comment? Okay. I will always be... exactly. Di-bouge. Yan yung gusto nila mag-away-away. So that's why I don't understand. I try to be amicable to everybody, and let's not try to belabor the situation. So stop asking na guys about that. It is just nothing but but how do I say this? It was just nothing but maybe a spices to the journey of supporting PRRD. It could go smooth, it could go left, it could go right, and then there's another hill, and then there's going down slope, and then, those kind of things. That's basically it. So, since you're taking sides kay Cha because you're in the same group, given nag-help siya kay Atty. Roque for what pa para i-brought up niyo? I already answered the question. It was born out of a statement here from a person watching the live. So I just responded. Perhaps Zaza, that person doesn't know a bit of what's really happening, so she deserves to know the truth. And if you characterize what I'm saying as taking sides, it's also your opinion. I don't want to impose on you my point of view. I also don't want to take out from you yung opinion mo about kay Cha. That's yours. So, if you think that is what it is, then it is what it is. May 28 pa, wag na kayong mag-divide. We are here for one go. Exactly. It's not elections yet. Parang may sip yun. Yeah, I always have sip on because of the, how do I say that? Pollens and too much ego si mahagaling siya sa lahat ng bagay bisag may mga petty issues before okay wala nag-iskandalo sa social media. Karon lang man na ay yes, Kuya Amik, ano ang issue na hindi pinahiram ang stand ni Duterte? Huy, yan, issue din yan. Anong ibig mo sabihin na hindi pinahiram ang stand ni Duterte, Inday? Can you put it in greater context? Are you saying na, is this related to a post of one person na nagsabi doon na hindi ko alam kung bakit nandito ang ganyan? So, nakipagplastikan ka lang pala kanila nung sumayaw kayong tatlo. No! Zaza, to be honest, I already tried to, how do I say that? Put an end to this. Yun yung gusto ko nangyari. Yung sumayaw ako ng bangag-bangag, even if I don't like it, because para makita sa ibang tao, makita talaga sa buong mundo na I need to do that kasi nga I want to make amends. I don't want to go this further kasi nga I felt that the issue was petty. Why do you want people to act the same as you? If I don't like the bangag-bangag, what's the problem? Ano problema? Is it a requirement to dance the bangag-bangag if you are a PRRD supporter? Guys, my goodness, like I don't understand that. I'm not even imposing to people what my parang sinabi, well, if you characterize it that way, Stefan, it's up to you. But you ask for my opinions. My opinion was asked, and I just said it. I am not questioning Attorney Roque's education. My God, ko I am nothing sa education pa lang sa iya ka bright and an attorney. He is too intelligent, Ginoo ko. I cannot even compare to or try to compare myself sa kanya. Okay, this is siguro Attorney Roque sa pinagagawa. Siguro sa inis ni Attorney Roque sa pinagagawa na. Sa daw? Pagbangag sa ng mga bangag sa kanya. Yeah, I think so. I think that's his retaliation, of course, for what everything. It's so sad lang you keep talking about it. Be bigger person, hindi po ikaw ang issue. Don't take sides. I am not taking. Somebody asked again. I'm going to explain again. Somebody asked it. I just responded, and then that's the end of it. Tapos na po. We cannot go back in time. Done is done. You don't really like mo mga others po. Okay, ikaw daw nagsugo, Scarlett de la Cruz. Kung ako pa lang, then I would have just said, ako ang nagsugo. But it wasn't me. Exactly, Carmela Condo. I made a shirt print mga bangag-bangag. Hindi pa yan sapat kay BBM. Wala akong pakialam kung andyan sa Amy. Yeah, go ahead. No problem po. I believe in you. I don't agree sa pagiging palaban through na nawala ako. Exposes niya. Ayoko na pagiging butangeran niya. March kasi hi sir, makabayan po ba di bumalik ng London? I think he is bound to go home on the 12th, or I mean, I'm not very sure. I'm not privy of his I'm not privy of his schedule. Malakas pang amoy ni Madam Dragon. Madali ang malalaman kung sino ang double agent. If I don't think that they will be able to well, it's up to them. I don't want to have comment po. Lucille, siguro, it's up to them, really. Everyone's entitled for their opinion. Watching from Hong Kong, Jing Dao, hello po. She's the kind of person who will ask you don't know me, personal opinion ko lang yan. She's the kind of person who will ask you don't know me, personal opinion ko lang yan. Como Rebi. Alam, issue ka na naman. Alams na may nag-back up sa'yo. Bakit hindi ka... Ay, ginako, Lord. Ayaw na isaba diha kay close na imuha case. Love lang gyud tam. Okay na Pinoy in Holland. Maybe one of the reason kaya hindi sinama si Attorney Nick, si Attorney Harry, medyo We can only, Delmar Garcia, we can only speculate. Focus na tayo kay Tatay Digong. Exactly, ang focus lang po ay kay Tatay Digong at kay Tatay Digong alone. We are nothing but just supporters of ensuring one objective and one goal will be attained. At yun po ay ang mapauwi si Tatay Digong sa mundong, sa Pilipinas, I mean. Bisag asa sir, disagree yung ko, murag pag-sure, galgal na po. Murag attorney yung way niya para kahit papano makaganti siya. Vinny Arapal, I strongly agree with you. Ano niya yan? Way niya yan. But somebody asked for my opinion. Kung i-stop na mahilom na ang issue, sakit yun sa ipa-sensationalize ang issue, kanya-kanyang comments, speculations, issue mo na samok bitter, ano maghilom to stop sharing your idea. Sana lang po, dapat masettle lang ano na issue para mahuman. Yeah, it was already settled. Maria Benz. On my end, it was already settled. We already had a conversation and it's over. Donna May, pero ano daw? Couldn't love bang every time. Okay. Wala naman, may tao lang na gusto manira tapos naggatungan kami, nanood lang kami doon, wala tayo doon kahit ang iba-iba mo lang perfect. Matawid ang event. Correct. It's better if before the event, meron kayong grounds and limitations sa speak sa stage para alam ang sasabihin, especially sa event. Sydney Finn. Yeah. That's correct. Hi, Pinoy. Alam naman ang back up sa'yo. Hindi ka gusto. Okay. Isa po, Alvin, useless na delete ni mo i-address unya uban taw balik-balik pag comment sa Pika's commentary. Yeah, exactly. I already yeah, let's just finish. I'm not going to answer any questions na para mahuman na. Hindi na magpaulit-ulit. Yaw na sila to baga Alvin kay Gamarit. Oh, correct. Sir, hoping magawa kayo ng book with your experience in Smart 11 picture words. Exactly. Correct. Strong lang, Alvin. Previous events, bisag may side issues karon naglala. Power kay sis Kuya Amik, oy. Sayaan mo na, Kuya. Okay na, magsaing ako na ako stop na sa tan. You explain everything na hayaan na yung iba hindi para mag-gets hindi ito. Yes, exactly, Chief Fails. Okay na, pollen allergic, Alvin. Yes, I have a pollen allergy. Yun pala. I have pollen allergy po. Kung may magsalita ng ganyan, stop na, wag na mag-response. We have to stop. Please, love na please. Yeah. Okay. Di natin nasisi sila. Okay, experience mga, okay. Yeah. Anoria, correct. Si Sir, pupunta sa Duterte na papunta na sa Duterte. I think Pinoy in Holland is also papunta na doon. Alvin, you did a good job. Keep it up. The main reason why you are there is for tatay. Charge it to experience na lang. Correct. I agree. I totally support that. I know, right? So ikaw gusto now. So, ikaw, di gusto. Now you're talking. So, na-experience ni Spock ang mga, you can't blame him na mga ikaw kuno pahanting ng mga bangag lami ba? Junior, alams na, okay. Alam natin. Ano daw? Parang naging mayabang ka na. Kawawa naman si Attorney Roque at Madam Marika. Parang nabastos sila. Ano bang nakayabang dyan sa pag-address ng guys, ng issues? Dapat magmahala ng magmahal na BBM man o DDS. Di ay pwede tabangan si tatay sa president diha aron makauli. Well, Pervs Ayame, that was the suggestion of Attorney Kaufman, Nick Kaufman actually. I asked him a question I remember very well. I told him na should the president file a request before the ICC for the former president to be brought back to the Philippines, would that be possible? And he said, yes, that can be, will it be facilitated? Sabi ko ganun, sabi niya, yes, that can be done. So, yun yung ano, it can be done daw, but then when when I ask someone about it, of legal mind, sinabi niya din sa akin na it's not possible because sabi daw na if it's already within the custody of ICC, mahirap talaga daw. The only way or the only recourse daw is through the judicial process. So it's really the defense team of Tatay Digong who needs to si Amy ba pinoprotektahan mo? How will I protect Amy? I don't even have connections with her. Why would I protect somebody? Why would I protect somebody when that particular family name was the reason who brought the former president here to the Hague, to the ICC? Dawbi? Tama lang sabihin kung hindi bangag yan, wala si Tatay Digong dyan. It's your opinion. Hello Alvin, laban lang kita prayer na hoping. Guys, antos sa Tatay Digong. Yeah, we really plastic ka. Ayaw mo palang bangag-bangag. Ba't ka sumayaw? Bakit hindi pwede ba? O ngayon, pag hindi ako magbangag-bangag, tapos ngayon, magalit. Tapos ngayon, sumayaw ako. Plastic na naman ako. Kasi sumayaw ako. Sana pala hindi na ako sumayaw. Now lang sa vlog. Okay. Ano daw? Inday Maya. So connected na siya dito sa iyong statement earlier. Ano daw? Basahin ko muna yun, ma'am. Ano ang issue na hindi pinahiram ng standee ni Duterte? Hindi pinahiram ba? Sino ba? Hindi ko yan alam, ma'am, yung hindi pinahiram ang standee ni Duterte because I am not sure po ano yung issue ng hindi pinahiram ng standee because I'm pretty sure that standee is actually in The Hague. Hindi ko siya... Sinong hindi nagpahiram daw, ma'am? Seems like gi-intriga dyan kag maayos sa mga viewers na wala dyan kag get sa real story. Ano ko ba wala pa yung mga inggitan? Yeah. Di kasabot ang lailahing perspective sa tao, correct, pakikisama lang. Kung mukaon di ay uban og tae, pugson po doon yung muka og tae, my God, what kind of logic is that? Aldo, bakit ninyo palalimin ang mga issue? Ano ba kayo dito? Stop na lang ang live mo, Alvin, kasi nagiging quadcom na dito. Sige lang, ma'am. Hindi man ako natakot sa quadcom or sa ano, ma'am. Wala man akong ginawang masama. And dance craze expression man lang. Ano? Pasag din na sa si Alvin. Move on na ta to Brave PRD home. Mo na ang goal. Correct. Mo na ang goal. Karon man lang na ay siya tao binablind item at in-issue ang binabastos. Hay, si Ginoo ko. She should mind her own business. She got all the perks of being VIP. Siya pa'y daghang ibas. Kuya Amek Garciniego, okay lang yan, kuya. Wag na natin iano. Wag na natin pong i-issue. Alvin, hindi ka talaga mag-gets ng iba kasi ang ibang Pinoy masyadong emotional. Kaya hirap mag-progress ang bayan. Chi. Kuya, upod siya comment. Dead man na lang na nimo, Alvin, kato ng kagamay na reason, wala man believe sa imo. Let them go. Correct. Total, di mo na sila kawalan. Huwag pa iralin ang toxic attitude, guys. Dapat magmahalan. Correct. Parang batang isip kasi ang ganyang style na magsasaya. Okay. Rose, tagsep, laban lang. Mahirap din kasi pinagdaanan ni Attorney Spoke Roque. Ma'am Inday, nobody is diminishing what he is going through. Wala po, ma'am. It's not an issue about that. Everybody recognize what he is dealing is definitely very, very, very difficult. And that's why we are one in him with that. Dapat mag-unite na lang o hindi na mag-take sides. Supporters, good job, Alvin. Yeah, exactly. Love, love, love. Correct, Pinoy in Holland. Yes, you are taking sides and let that lady explain her side. Dili ikaw mo explain. Kay Monsanto. Okay. And nasa issue, sir, tomorrow never mentioned kahit pag may comment. Carmelita CG, correct. Alams na parang may nag-back up sa iyo. Bakit hindi gusto ang mga... Let's focus on one goal, bring PRRD home. Big deal ba masyado yung mas okay pa ang laging ipaalala na meron tayong presidente na bangag para bawasan ang okay. Sir Alvin, let's change the topic now. What's the plan? May mga event tayo i-look forward. Bujoy, we are planning pa po. There's one that we need to look up is, I hope it's not going to happen anymore, na before that day na mawalan, na hindi na talaga, na before that day makauwi na si Tatay Digong, is we are thinking of doing the 100 days of PRRD being detained inside the ICC detention facility. We are trying to prepare for that, and we are trying to actually we are still in the stage of brainstorming with respect on how we're going to go about that. Okay. For me, ang bangag is expression of kulang. And no one is stifling that expression. They can definitely do that. But you cannot ask me to like something I don't like. Period. Yun lang po ang totoo. Is that the benchmark if you're supporting Tatay Digong or not? Talaga sis, masakit kasi ang katotohanan na marinig ang mga dapat tama yan. Ano ba? End na po yung issue, wag niyo na pong basahin ang comment. Okay. Gaano talagang update sa case ni Tatay Digong? Lady Anne, the update of sa case ni Tatay Digong, we are still awaiting. Talaga yung pinaka-update na hinihintay natin is we are still awaiting for the decision of the plenary of judges of the ICC to decide on the disqualification application of the defense team of Tatay Digong para po kung the decision will conform to the defense motion or be favorable to the defense motion, then they will get two other judges from other chamber, and then they will put it na maging parte ng pre-trial chamber 1. And then if that is already done, then we are going to and then they are going to proceed with adjudicating or making decision with respect to the first motion submitted on the 1st of May. Doon po yung challenge with respect to jurisdiction. If yung challenge with respect to jurisdiction will be decided in favor of the defense again, then Tatay Digong will be brought back to the Philippines. I heard from VP Inday that they are trying to avail of other legal remedies such as the interim release and also the one that was proposed by Attorney Roque involving Dutch local courts. So we will see. It is all in the works. Most particularly, we need to, we need to make sure that the former president will be brought back as soon as possible through the work of the defense team. Nako sa live ni Mahar. Nabasa ko sa live ni Mahar. It's not her. Huwag niyo pag-away makiusap sa magkaisa. Exactly, Rose tayo. Can we all just respect Alvin's choice? Ano bang gusto mag-aklas na lang ng mga tao? Gusto ko mag-aklas na lang mga tao, but Alvin don't think so. And I respect it. We all have our own choices. And somehow we deal things. Correct. Pag ayusin mo na lang ang sila yung dalawang group, sayang yung pinaghirapan nyo dyan. Pag ayusin ang dalawang group, we already exerted effort to remove the, alam mo yun, yung mga inggitan, yung mga ganyan, and just move forward as one talaga. But I think if there are group of people who's going to make events or whatnot, I'll just there to support. I don't think na, because na feel ko nagiging parang competition siya, which is also very petty, no? But That's my disposition. Nagiging competition siya, so I'm just there to support. Ang sarap-sarap kaya ng feeling na pupunta lang sa event, hindi na maglabad yung ulo mo kung paano gawin ang ganito, ang ganyan. So, basta ako love lang tadi guys, asa na itong goal para sa kay tatay. Correct, Pinoy in Holland. Kailan ang next interview ni Attorney Kaufman? I am hoping to interview him next week. Next week po. Ako po, di ko ganahan sa jingle. Okay. Good evening. Hi, Shin. I might fall asleep again. So groggy from medicine. Rest well. Lang Sir Alva in town. Bia is not till the end watching from Shell. Na, hindi mo ma'am. Hanggang sa dulo. Mga pa lang. Ayaw lang at na Alvin para hindi din gagalawin yung page niya. Hindi siya pag-initan kasi if ever mawala ang page niya, may rapat tayo magagilap siya. Open mind, broad. Alam niyo, point kasi ginagawa since day one to show love and support, echoing to all the truth. Huwag na natin gawing issue kasi sa akin, for me lang, walang issue. Yeah. I strongly support that sentiment. Change topic. May possibility ba na maging Amy Marcos supporter ka? Vin? How should I answer that question? Because I never really supported Amy before, no? I was just open to, the idea before that they were... Honestly, before, in 2016, I was hopeful that it will be a continuous transition talaga na parang dire-diretso na siya ba. But yeah, I think it was an eye-opener na ang dami talagang nabudol, including myself even. Nabudol talaga to the hope of a continuous governance leading towards to, yeah. I have my reservation of the Marcoses actually because after what happened in 2022, wala na ako'y amor sa mga Marcos na actually. And also decisions such as returning the sequestered assets, decisions favoring them from the Sangguniang Bayan or something. From the... Yeah. I have my reservations, but supporter, I have no reason to support them actually. But yeah, it was more of for VP Inday's impeachment, but I don't have an active thought about that. Hindi siya pumapasok sa aking isip. Naintindihan ko ang palangga attorney at kasi palangga attorney dahil sitwasyon niyo sa kanilang dalawa iba paggigipit na ginawa sa kasi gobyerno ng Pinas ng sayaw nila alis sa stress. Yeah, they can definitely do that. I'm not saying na hindi nila yan gawin. Ang tanong po kasi sa akin, ma'am, is ganito. Gusto mo ba ang ganyan? So I just honestly express my opinion. Alvin, wag mo nang patulan yung mga tanong. Nasa live, naghahanap lang yan ng butas. Nagkamali ka ng sagot sa kanila at iba na namang sabihin. Change topic. Yeah, correct. If everything is really okay with you and your group, those on the other side, why don't you attend and show camaraderie and event on the 14th? Organized by the attorney. Please address this. Look, bakit? Alam niyo na ba na hindi ako mag-attend? But how? Grabe yung nag-intriga, no? It's just funny ba? Grabe nag-intriga sa akin, ginoo ko. I am just one of the... hindi ba ako mag-attend dyan? Let's say, for example, if circumstances will prohibit me to do that. Hypothetical lang. Then, I'm only one of the thousands attending. Minus the 1,000 attending. So, why? What is the point? I don't see the point there. So, yeah. Pero thank you kaayo. Dili ninyo pugan si spokes kay dira na siya gina... Yeah, wala may nagpugong sa iya, eh. Nobody is pugonging him from doing that, honestly. Love lang po. Mabuhay po ninyo. Thank you po. Yet, Amray Karel, hindi nyo ba gets? Kahit hindi sa inyo naglalaban, magkaiba man tayo ng prinsipyo, magkaiba ang paninindigan, magkaiba ng gusto. Importante, respeto at respeto sa kapwa. Period. Correct. I just want to highlight na si Alvin at ang group ng volunteers ay hindi talaga masusula. I tried na bigyan sana sila. Kahit pang snack man lang 24 na luoy ko sa ilaha basta basa, hago o basa, pero wala dyan sa mudawat kaya hanga ko sa integridad nila. Pabayaan, thank you Kuya Amik, pabayaan nyo si Spoke sa bangag dance niya, freedom niya yan, huwag niyong pigilan. Emily Ra, nobody is pigiling attorney himself ma-persecute ng mga ng sa Pinas at dyan ba naman sa Europe ulit. Pinky express himself. He is just expressing himself. Yeah, exactly. Nobody is prohibiting him from expressing himself. And the answer, kamo magin mabilin anak. Mabilin og adlaw-adlaw makigud diha sa dahig hangtod na sa tay diha kamo magyud ang unang mudagan sa ICC. Sophia Jones correct. Paikot-ikot si Sir Michael King, wala mang parking sa Duterte Street. Leave the issue go for the update. Tatay say strong love you. Yeah, correct. Tama po kay Tatay D. Amping ka na rin si Alvin. Hello, may update po ba? Kailan makauwi si Tatay? There's no, Amy Villanueva, only time will reveal that. But I think they're already expediting the process, ensuring that all legal remedies that they can avail of. I don't know what strategies are they trying to, prepare, file motions, whatnot, blah, 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 before, yeah. But hopefully, honestly, I just encourage everyone to pray for the former president na mapauwi na siya sa Pilipinas. Pinagugutan. Hindi pwede compare kay sila. Yeah, exactly. Iba man yung pinaguhugutan ko. Kung sila nag-focus sila kay BBM, hindi ako kay BBM nag-focus. Wala akong pakialam kay BBM. Ang pang-focus ko ay si Tatay Digong. Siyang as an ordinary citizen, I recognize that the only way I can show my unwavering love and support for Tatay Digong is to be there for him. To always gather outside the ICC detention facility together with all the Filipinos who are like-minded, because that's the only thing I can do. I am not a lawyer. I'm not part of the legal defense team. I don't also believe in the petitions. I have my own thinking. What can I do? Yun lang. I can pray and I can show my unwavering love and support, because I thought every time there's a family visiting the ICC detention facility, it is an opportunity for me, along with all other Filipinos there outside the ICC detention, doon sa Duterte Street, na before siya pumasok doon sa appointment, makita niya, may mga Pilipino pa pala doon. So, every time Tatay Digong will ask, may Pilipino pa ba dyan? Ganito, ganyan. Then they can respond, yes, there are still Filipinos outside waiting for you. 86th day. Hindi yan nawala ng tao dyan sa Duterte Street. Yan ang totoo. Sila grupo na nag-organize ng rally noong May 17, di rin sila kasama sina Sir Alvin doon. June 14 event nila, sila ata yung grupo na iba ang nag-organize yan. Wala na kaming kasali dyan sa June 14. So, however, we were welcome. We were invited by Attorney Roque to join that event. Of course, he invited us. Wala pong hindi kami inibita. Guys, wala pong intriga talaga, because we are all trying to move forward here. There's no issue na talaga. Sino nagpatay ng sounds? Ulit-ulit mo help paghihapon kag-organize sa next event, sir. If I'm available, why not? Take good care. We are most welcome. I'm thankful for all what you, Maria. Thank you. Be professional, educated person. Put your action in the proper way. Since it's VP Sar's birthday, so focus sana doon. You can't blame po yung kung medyo disagree sa bangabangag. Since day one, support unconditional. Ang pag-get together nyo dyan is only one purpose. Di sa pag-center of attraction sa Alvin is organized, so everyone must respect. Hindi, pag-sure, hindi, ma'am, hindi po ganyan, ma'am, po siya. We have no role to play po talaga sa decision-making process. We are nothing but volunteers. Magkaiba tayo. True, nainis ako sa ibang tao. Konting kimbot issue. Tanggalin yung pagiging marites. Dumating lang si Amy, nagkaganyan. Angelica Espirita. And Angel Jud Katana Alvin, kalma ra ka sa reaction. Correct. Because again, as I've said before, if you have so much hatred, and if you have so much darkness in your heart, it will show in your skin. Kung sige na kag suko ra kyud ka pa ala, sige na kag pag-intriga, pang marites, dira unsa na lang na imo ang gidibdib nimo sa imong heart, it will show in your skin. So that's why if you are most likely just being present, happy ka lang, ganito ganyan or whatnot, then you are na wala lang. Wala kasi working, wala akong budget. Possibility na wala ang Tatay Digo para walang mga issues. Ano daw, makaulit na exactly, na-settled na sila, kayo lang din ay exactly, marites ng iba. Kaya andyan si Tatay Digong dahil sa kabangagan. Okay. Mga kababayan, if may time po kayo send Father's Day card, salamat. Ayoko po ninyong kanta ni attorney kasi birthday yun ni VP. Dapat happy-happy lang, may time sa mga ganyan. Magandang gabi, iris-iris na yan. Issues, please, let's consider. Correct.